This is one reason I like raised beds, because when it rains a lot here, we have a mess. It looks like a creek running through here. It even sounds like one right there. But the raised bed, it makes a big difference. Also, since we've got older, it's easier on us too. It don't hurt our backs and stuff. And we can grow pretty much what we want. Like I said before though, all these containers up here, they'll be gone next year. Because we've only got 2 raised beds, and next year we're gonna have 3, maybe 4. But we still got work to do.